What's up? Welcome back. My name is Caela, and today we're going to be learning about can hearing people or just anyone learn sign, and can they just make up signs? So this is really controversial because some people who use sign language, they either have kids who are nonverbal or they have family members who are deaf and they want to communicate, or they just want to learn sign language to communicate and they start making up signs, and why that's a bad thing. American Sign Language is a language, culture, and community. So when you start making up signs and then saying, oh yeah, this is a sign for this to other people, it's disrespectful toward deaf people and the language itself. Because then no one else other than you would understand that sign. So when you're pretending to say I know sign language and make up a sign, it makes no sense to anyone. It's just rude.